Hello guys, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up the pulse oximeter on your Garmin Enduro 2 watch. So let's get started. Firstly, we are gonna open settings by pressing and holding this menu button in the middle of the screen. And right now scroll till you see sensors tab. Go right in the settings and right here you'll be able to see it. Just click it. And now we are gonna click on pulse oximeter. Click again and we see three options here. So the manual check is if you want to measure manually, select this mode. Now during sleep, activate this mode for continuous measurement during sleep, but unusual sleeping postures may give incorrect readings. And the last one, which is all day, let's click it. So turn on for measurements throughout the day when you're inactive, but be aware that this can drain the battery faster. If you want to confirm the changes, just click this start button on the top of the screen. And that's all. I hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.